Hey guys, Gorilla Monkey 34 here, coming to a video about I want to make a universal box to go in the back of this truck. I don't use this back seat, so I'm thinking about taking it out and making a box for the entire back, about the size of the box in the back of my truck right now, like a toolbox. I want to take this out so I get the full 8-foot box and make a box back here to hold the 2 speakers, the amplifier, and all the stuff inside that box. I measured it out, and this is a little bit bigger for square feet than this box here, so it should work out fine. And what I'm going to be using is some 1/2-inch plywood, just one sheet, and I ain't going to use this sheet at all. I got that a little bit too in case I need it, but the bottom is going to be just the floor of the truck, just carpet, and the sides is going to be plywood, and I'm going to have a flip up top on it, made out of plywood. So yeah, I think step 1 is going to be taking out the audio stuff, setting it off to the side for now, and taking out this back seat. So let's get to doing that. Okay guys, step 1, I take the speaker box out. We've got some screws here, and some screws here for the amplifier. Handy dandy Makita drill. Make light work to do those. Like that, and then this whole thing should pop out. Ugh. These are some heavy duty speakers, and about 6.5 inches thick. So yeah, they're 600 watts JL audios. So set that off to the side, get to work on this amplifier. Now to take this out is just the star screwdrivers on here. Move the wire. Let's do the hot wire first and get that thing taken care of. Take some Let-Go tape and wrap it off so it doesn't touch anything. Okay, you don't want this thing shorting out at all. I got the posts on the batteries disconnected as well, so everything for safety, you know. Now you can do wire the turn when it goes to the key, and the wire to go to the ground. Come on. There we go. And on this side we got the two audio cords go to the back of your speakers. No, to the go back to your audio. And I got a couple screws holding these on. I think I need a longer bit. There we go. All 4 screws out. I'm going to set this off to the side, and yeah, this is the one I'm using. It's a 500 watt. Now to show you what type of seat this is, you fold this up, you fold this back, and there you go. That's your back seat. Not the biggest, not the comfortable. So yeah, you have to get to taking this thing out. Now guys, I'm using a 15 mil deep socket on a 1.5 foot bar. I don't know if you guys can see, but They are way down there. There's two of them on each side. And they're pretty beefy, so let's see if this works out. Oh yeah, I got them out. Like nuts. That one nut. Impact made good work of it, so. It probably never came out before, so it's from factory. That should be good enough. Pull up on both sides. There we go. And we're gonna bring out the passenger door. I got a little more room. Yeah. Look like 13 mils, maybe 14. We're about to see if, yeah. Okay guys, can't get the thing in there, so do the old-fashioned way of a ratchet. Oh, that's been pretty loose. Take it easy. Oh yeah. This thing is heavy. She got some weight to her. I'm better put the bolts back in so you don't lose them. And yeah, here's the seats. They are out. And I put them away where it's somewhere safe in case I want to reuse them again. So I take out the straps and then yeah. Okay guys, they are a T50 Torx. Fits in there pretty good. Going to be using the impact, because why not? It takes it out pretty easy. Okay guys, got everything marked out so far. So I got these marked out. These are the side pieces. 16 by 16. Okay, got the side pieces marked out. They are 19 by 26. The two of them. And they gotta be custom cut once they are cut out with a jigsaw to fit inside here, this pocket, down in here. And they gotta go up there. So yeah, just a little cutout. Okay, I want to keep this carpet for the bottom. And from bottom of the floor here up to 16 inches. That's going to be the size of the box. So the other pieces are the top, 26 by 61, just over 5 feet a little bit. The front is a solid piece of the same 16 inches by 61. And then you got the back piece, not enough to cut out this one sheet, so 11 inches on the back and 11 inch on the little piece that got to be added on to make it 61. So yeah, I use the table saw over there, got it all set up and ready to cut some wood. Okay guys, I got all pieces cut. Those are the corners. They fit perfect in the truck. And I cut a couple 2x2s cut. They're about 1.5 inches. Put for the corners to make them a little bit stronger with some wood glue and some screws. And remember to pre-drill your holes or you're going to have cracking happening. Make it flush. Check the glue. Oh, the glue look fun. Zigzag pattern for your board on top. I'm using some 1.5" deck screws. So just sink it down nice, and you see how the glue coming out the sides. I mean, it's nice and like here. Okay guys, got it complete. Gonna go do a test fit in the truck. As you can see, that piece wasn't long enough, so I put some boards right there. But yeah, set to fit in the truck now. Okay guys, I got it in. It fits very snug and tight, so shouldn't be no vibrations or anything. I measured it. The speakers are gonna go right here, the subwoofers. So it'll fit perfect in there. So now I'm gonna put some bracing across, some 2x2 bracing, and 2x2s on the sides, and yeah, then fill the top on with the hinge, and then tie the thing down. Okay guys, let's cut them out. I got the circles, 12-inch circles, about 11 inches I mean. So I drill a hole and cut them out. There we go. Gonna clean up these edges a little bit with the rotary tool, and yeah. Okay guys, I got it all the wood in. This one is still not in yet. I'm gonna put in when the truck. But yeah, I'll put the speakers in once in the truck. Okay guys, it in there. It was in tight fit with the seats in, so next time I'm going to take the seats out if I want to ever take it out. But yeah, you see she's in. I'm going to go get some straps and tie it into the frame so it doesn't move. It wouldn't move now, but I want to make sure it never moves. So 4 little angle bits to go in the corners. So bolt the speakers in, put the top on, and yeah. I'm not going to paint it or put a plug on it until I find one I really likes. So I have to get doing that. Okay guys, got it all in. Got the speakers in, got the lid on, got the hinges on, got all the little brackets on. Self-tapping screws into the frame. Make sure you check for any stuff under the truck. Make sure you're not going to hit anything. And some heavy-duty wood screws to hold it down. They're not going anywhere. And yeah. Next, I'm going to install the amplifier again and hook up the wiring. And yeah, and start filling this up. They're not totally finished, but yeah, it needs to be painted or put a piece of carpet on top. This is just something I had laying around, so yeah. Speakers in. I got all my tools out of the back in here. Liquids on that side, chains in the center because there's nothing there. Speakers on this side, and yeah. I want to put some rubber around the center, so, and maybe a hydraulic little thing to lift it up. And the back of the truck is nothing now. Here empty, and the toolbox is out of it, so I got the full 8-foot box now. So yeah. Well guys, hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.